Let's fidget trade with my sister. Okay, you go first. Oh, Shaggy. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you guys, I need this. I'm gonna do this cat.
Ooh. Accept.
Yes, I accept. Okay, guys, let's do the ice cream neato. Okay, ice cream neato. Oh, I accept if you do. Yay! Okay, what do you have to offer? Oh, the swirl. I need this, you guys. Let's do this one and this one. Okay, these two. Oh, I accept. Ooh! Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this blue nice cube. Okay, I have this.
This one.
What?
I don't want to do nice cube.
Okay. All right, I guess you try now.
See Nito.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I need that. Okay, guys, I guess I'm gonna do this because I really want that. Okay.
Add.
What? That's not fair. Oh, well, you guys, I really want it, so I'm gonna do this neato. All right, this one.
Add.
What? Bro, that's so unfair.
I don't like nice cubes.
Bro. I guess I'll trade this back. Okay. What? No, that is not fair. Guys, I really want it, so let's just add these two, bro. All right, these two. Bro, I'm literally all out of squishies.
But that's too dingbat.
Bro! This is my last squishy. I accept if you accept.
You should have added more if you had more, but.
Yay!
Scammer get scammed!